The natural texture of tree bark is being transformed into the exterior of buildings using specialized engineering techniques. It not only provides aesthetics, but also thermal insulation, moisture balancing, and natural air circulation. Traditional concrete facades are about to be forgotten, as this technique creates a shield that is both environmentally friendly and long-lasting. This revolutionary system called Stavoblock is making traditional construction methods a thing of the past. This technology assembles massive walls like a Lego set, without mortar or adhesives. Each block is manufactured with millimeter precision, and thanks to a special locking system, the walls remain in place even when the ground shakes. This small metal connector is the unsung hero of massive pergolas, terrace roof systems, and modern garden structures. Without the need for traditional welding or complex assembly systems, this T-bracket seamlessly connects steel, aluminum, or wood profiles. The result? Perfectly aligned, storm-resistant, and durable structures that will last for years to come. It's one of the world's most innovative building materials. This incredible technology makes concrete nearly as light as air, yet incredibly durable and insulating. Arium is a mineral foam enriched with microscopic air bubbles. Every drop is a marvel of engineering. This system is so innovative that it completely overlooks traditional insulation panels. Thanks to its natural mineral-based structure, it not only traps heat, but also breathes, balancing humidity within the building and preventing mold growth. Furthermore, it's completely fire-safe, environmentally friendly, and recyclable. This means it both protects the environment and creates an invisible shield for your walls. These two systems are the unsung heroes that silently yet flawlessly protect your roof. Drip Edge prevents rainwater from seeping from the roof edges onto the walls, while Step Flashing cleverly directs water away, hidden beneath each tile. The result? No dampness, no rot, and no leaks. This system eliminates the need for manual labor in natural stone cladding and makes it completely automated. High-precision robotic arms cut and place each stone precisely to the nearest millimeter. The cladding process, which traditionally took days, is now completed in just a few hours. This system completely surpasses traditional concrete pouring. Created with a perfect blend of colored rubber granules and special resins, this surface offers a structure that is both flexible and extremely durable. It can be used everywhere, from parks and playgrounds to sports fields and walking paths. This video is truly an astonishing compilation. Every scene is unique, every image captivating. There are giant moving objects in some places, and incomprehensible systems in others, but they all appear to have been carefully crafted. This structural system has revolutionized retaining walls and roadside protection in particular. The giant steel reinforced box panels interlock like a puzzle and can securely hold tons of soil. Installation is extremely quick, cost-effective, and durability is exceptional. Each panel both carries the load and protects against environmental conditions. This exclusive formula combines the natural texture of stone with modern polymer technology. The result is a surface that is both incredibly durable and stunning. Whether used on floors, walls, or exterior facades, it provides excellent protection against everything from sun and rain to frost and extreme heat. Volma is a leading brand in the construction world, renowned for its quality. Known for its gypsum-based products, Volma doesn't just produce plaster or filler, it redefines the speed and durability of modern construction. Each bag, with its perfect mixing ratio, creates smooth surfaces, resists cracking, and provides incredible bonding strength. Plastering, which used to take hours with traditional methods, can now be completed in minutes with advanced robotic systems. These smart machines scan the wall surface with laser sensors, apply the mortar to the perfect thickness, and achieve millimeter-perfect smoothness. No dust, waste, mistakes, or fatigue. This flexible yet durable border element provides the perfect separation of lawns, flower beds, and walkways. Installation is incredibly easy, requiring no concrete, screws, or special tools. Simply place it on the ground, and your garden instantly looks like a professional landscape design. Its resistance to sun, rain, and frost ensures it stays pristine for years to come. This system, combined with advanced EPS, expanded polystyrene, insulation, provides excellent resistance to water, heat, and impact. Its hybrid properties allow it to be used on both flat and pitched roofs, combining different material layers into a single whole. The result, a long-lasting, lightweight yet extremely strong roof structure.